In the early days, I did the Best New Product segments with Paul Spring, who was the editor of today's Homeowner magazine. Paul is a very bright guy, and I have enormous respect for him, but there wasn't a lot of variety in his observations.
You're right, Danny. They sure are, Danny. Be glad to, Danny. Okay, Danny. Danny.
For a while, I did the segments by myself. Certainly the home light back attack can help you a lot there, but the prevailing opinion on our staff seemed to be that there was enough of me on TV already, so they wanted a woman to do the segment. Enter Emily Barter.
Now, even though this new technology makes painting a breeze, it isn't idiot-proof.
I can't argue with the fact that Emily was easier on the eyes than me. So when she moved on, Jody Marks took over the reins of Best New Products. Jody is an absolute nut. But more importantly, she has a great handle on what everyday homeowners are looking for when they go to the home center. Plus, she's also a pretty good dancer.
Baby doll.